Today, we will talk about how to start a self-storage business. Let's have a look at the details. Owning a self-storage business can be very lucrative. You are responsible for the personal property of your customers, so you need to make sure that you are prepared to manage that obligation. You will need to do some careful research and detailed planning before you start the business. The first step is planning your business. Research the market. Self-storage is a fast-growing sector of small business and real estate, and it can be highly profitable if you get it right. You need to have a clear picture of the local demand, the local competition, and the kind of costs and profits you might be looking at. Outline your goal. Once you have an idea about the local storage market, you should try to articulate what it is exactly that you want to create. Determine your startup costs. Before you go any further, you need to draw up some figures for your estimated startup costs. Write your business plan. The business plan is the most crucial document for your business. Map out your marketing strategy. A final essential element in your business planning is developing a clear and comprehensive marketing strategy. And the second step is starting your business. Seek financial support. If you are starting a business from scratch, it's likely that you will need to seek financial support to get it up and running, and cover the initial costs. Secure your location and units. The essential part of a self-storage business is the actual premises where your customers will store their items. Ensure you comply with tax and legal regulations. As a small business, you will need to make sure that you are properly registered and in compliance with all the relevant tax and legal regulations. Develop your online presence. An effective online presence is essential for the success of almost any business. Reach out to customers. Once you have a good online presence, you need to take your marketing to the next level by actively reaching out to customers. Consider expansion. When your business is up and running, you may consider expanding it. This might involve increasing the number of storage units and hiring staff. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.